Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. An espresso brown ginger beige MB Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a brown eucalyptus wood trim, memory seats, Harman Kardon sound system, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation. This one also does come with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera, front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE 350 has 26,756 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, check out feldmannimports.com.